everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Man, wicked cool little car, guys. Beautiful Marina blue car. That's a factory. It's a factory color combination. Car's only got like 80,000 miles on it. Just went through just a couple of years ago a complete body up restoration and very nicely done. Tennessee car. You can see they've lowered the car down a little bit. It's got a set of 18s and 17s. American Racing Torque Thrust, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Good looking car. Clean, solid, straight Camaro, guys. Looks like it's got all the original body panels. Hits the road good. I mean, just a nice car. Again, if you're looking for a good, honest cruiser, I think you're gonna like this car. Pretty paint. As we get around it, I can show you. It's actually got original paint still in the jams. And again, this is the original color. They put the SS emblems on it, guys. It's just a tribute. But man, it's a pretty car. It's got a great look to it. Paint's very nice. You can see they put the black nose stripe on it. Still got one of the original T3 headlights in it. New bumpers, got the bumper guards on it, front and rear. Good running small block underneath the hood. Scratching there in your glass. It's the original glass in the car. Again, I didn't see where they put any panels in this car. Factory rear glass. My boys missed some dust on there. I'm rushing them today, though, to be honest with you guys. I'm leaving town again for another show. So there's about 20 cars in here that need to be advertised, and I still got my buddy's place down south filled up, so I got to get to work, man. Of course, Mother Nature, it's been raining. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, it sits good. They've lowered the car all around. Man, I wish we had some sunshine, man. You can see that pretty blue Marina. Put that metallic in it. 18s on the rear, 17s on the front, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Power front disc brakes. 4-speed manual trans. Fresh 350, guys. I mean, you can see that thing is brand new. Quadrajet 4-barrel, stock intake, does have a set of headers on it. 4-speed manual trans, HEI distributor, chrome air cleaner, finned aluminum valve covers. Again, power front disc brakes. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Car's detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Just a little wax there, guys. You guys hit a little spray wax and they missed a little. Make sure you're keeping track of our website, guys. Like I say, we got about 20 new cars. Matter of fact, I've got the building popping out full of cars. Part of the problem is, guys, if you've got cars here, a little mark there on your A-pillar chrome. Boy, I need them picked up. I need room bad. Dual chrome mirrors. Looks like it's got new door handles. This paint right here is the original paint, guys. Original paint in the door jambs. Factory blue interior. It's got black mats in it, guys. I've ordered the factory correct blue mats. Oh, new sill plates, and it's still got the little blue covering on it. New carpet. Yeah, that's the original paint in the jams. Bucket seats, Hurst shifter, stock dash. It's got the original Fisher body seat belts. Headliner's drooping a little bit. Let's see if I can get my boy Don over here from DNA. Take a look at that. Yeah, showing 88,000. That's your original miles. Not a lot of miles on the resto, guys. Done just a couple years ago. Blower Motor Works factory AM radio. I couldn't get it to come on. Padded dash. Dash is nice. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Stock 10 bolt 308 gear. Again, this is your original paint in your jam. Nah, it's just a little wax there, guys. Guys missed some wax. Clean old car, man. It's just solid as can be in the trunk. Original jack instructions in there. Clean underneath, again, just a body up. It wasn't a rotisserie or anything like that, but nice. Good sounding flows. A little bit of cam to it. Nothing crazy. Again, original paint in your jams. You can see how clean the door skins are. Again, I've got the new rubber mats too, the blue ones. 200 bucks for those doggone things. I know guys like the carpeted mats. I'm not a fan of the carpeted mats with a 4-speed because I've had problems with them rolling up when I'm shifting the cars. So I put rubber mats in all of them, unless they come with a carpeted mat. Now, I don't like these because they're black, so they don't match at all. But I've got the right rubber ones on the way. Yeah, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. A-pillar chrome's nice. Yeah, nothing crazy, just a little cam to it. The car sounds, I mean, just sounds great. Good running small block. Like I said, I think you're looking for a good, solid, straight driver. I think you have a blast with that car. You can hear that cam working a little. Again, there's that fuel gauge works. There's really, that's it. It's a speedo and a fuel gauge in there. Car's got a good sound. Great look. No, I couldn't get it to come on, Jordan. I don't think it works. Blower motor does work. Parking brake works. You know, the wipers work. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time. Yeah, take it down the road, yep. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Yeah, the road's dried out, so we've been dealing with rain all day. Look at that car, man. It's got a great look. Boy, I wish you could see the sun hitting that Marina blue paint.